All right, let's talk about the forecast now. It's feeling much more spring and summer-like out there today, Ron. But with that, it sounds like comes the threat of some severe weather.
Yeah, you know, we're pretty much in that kind of pattern right now, Christine, where you get 3 days where you're warming up. And you know, on that third or fourth day, you get those temperatures up there like we're doing today, up into the 70s. It was the 80s on Sunday, and then you get the storm chance rolling through just ahead of the cold front. Have another one coming on today, and it is a first alert weather day because of that. 7 o'clock through 11 o'clock tonight. That's really kind of the bullseye where it comes to our chances for severe weather. That'll be the highest chance that we're going to be looking at. Large hail tornadoes will be possible as this system comes through. That's our biggest concern at this point. Also, the usual suspects when it comes to any type of storms rumbling through is going to also be there. Downpours, lightning, gusty straight line winds that could be destructive just by themselves. All will be coming through as this cold front slides through. Right now, at least it's partly cloudy out there. We have a lot of sunshine. Man, I hope you get outside and enjoy the afternoon hours with those temperatures hitting the 70s today. We're close already right now at 69 in Pittsburgh. You can see the rain developing along the front up into parts of Wisconsin, up around the Green Bay area, just north of Detroit, where they're starting to see some rain as well. Let me zoom in and just kind of show you. Again, I'm going to start you off with the setup that we're looking at, including most of our area under that level 2 out of 5 risk of severe storms. Now, oftentimes when we get the level 1, the greenish color here, we'll mention, or I'll mention at least, that this means, hey, we can't rule out a severe weather for those communities. The level 2, though, the yellow color that we're looking at, normally that means we're expecting to see some severe weather. It's not expected to be a widespread event. It's more organized once you start getting up to that level 3, 4, and even 5 levels that are very rare across the U.S. On top of what we're seeing or expecting today when it comes to the activity of storms, any type of storms that we're looking at could be fairly intense, and that's going to be the biggest concern that we have. It's not in the number of severe thunderstorm warnings that'll be there, but any of those warnings, those storms could be really intense with that large hail and tornadoes sliding through. So it's going to be on the initial line that we'll be looking at coming between 7 and 11 o'clock, where we'll have the highest risk of that large hail and also tornadoes. Behind us, we'll see some redevelopment right along the cold front. Big push, especially on the leading edge, where we could see some gusty winds. And then after that, as we're probably trying to sleep in the overnight hours, a lot of lightning coming through in some of these cells. We'll be looking at some downpours as well. Probably good sleeping weather once the severe weather risk moves out of here. That wraps up all before the morning commute tomorrow. Still could be some wet roads out there, but it's looking dry at this point. We're at 69 right now. I got to get right over to your 7-day. Let me expand today and just kind of show you quickly the rest of the day. You can see that high in the mid-70s, 60s into the overnight hours. We cool down Friday and Saturday, and then we're warming back up. We're doing the dance again, warming back up in the middle of next week. Some storms around on the back end of next week.